Hello everyone, welcome to this really new tutorial about HTML5 presented by UniwebCreation.com. Before I talk anything about HTML5, I want to tell you guys that even I was the beginner and HTML5 was the first coding language I actually learned. And I want you to know that it's really simple and it's really easy, especially HTML5. It's really easy. So without wasting our time, let's get started. What is HTML5? HTML5 is actually the latest version of HTML. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990-91. And I wanted to show you what actually HTML looks like. This is how HTML coding looks like. You don't have to be afraid. You cannot understand anything, and that's totally fine. But I just want you to know that when we're going to code, this is how it's going to look like in our editor. And here what you're seeing is this is how our browser is going to read. So you can see this is really pretty cool. This is how we're going to write it, but this is how actually it's going to look like in the browser and the website. I want to show you some examples about the HTML5 which some websites have used. These websites which I particularly like, cuttherope.net. This is a really popular game, I hope you guys know. And they haven't used Flash in it. Before HTML5, this was not possible doing with HTML. But this is what the new thing about HTML5 is. They don't use Flash here. They are using HTML5. So it's kind of really pretty cool. There's another website, 20thingsIlearned.com, and this book which you are seeing, this is also not Adobe Flash. They have used HTML5. So you can see actually the latest version of HTML is quite powerful and really useful. I really recommend you this website to you guys because they have like pretty cool information about different topics like what is HTML, cloud computing, web apps, and if you're really stepping into web development, you should definitely visit this website and almost read everything. It is really useful. But when I was learning HTML5, CSS and JavaScript and all these computer languages and codings, I was not really interested in it. My main focus was actually to get a job. So I saw something here for you guys, that here you can see HTML5. So I just wanted you to know that there is a scope. But the sad thing is HTML5 is not going to be enough. As you can see here, front-end developer, they are asking for HTML5, CSS and JavaScript jQuery. So yeah, HTML is not going to be enough for you to get a job. You need to know especially these other two languages, which I will make videos for it too. But right now let's focus on HTML5. HTML5 actually is the structure of your website, and the CSS is how your website is going to look, which we also call styling, and JavaScript is actually how it's going to behave or interact with your visitor of your website. But you don't have to actually worry about these two right now. Let's concentrate on HTML5. I just wanted to introduce you with HTML5, that what are the scopes with the jobs, what we can do with HTML, how it looks like, and what actually HTML is. I really have told you really basics about it, but after watching this video, I really want you guys to go on Google and search HTML5 and try to read as much as you can about HTML5. Try to gather information. Next video I will tell you more about the code editors where we're gonna write our codes, and some really useful websites where we can actually get more information of HTML5 and be up to date. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.